Good morning, beautiful butterflies. It's Sunday. Okay, so time to get active. I was going out, but it's raining, so we're going to exercise inside. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our weights. 1 pound and a little bit less than a pound. Okay, so I don't know. I don't know which is which anymore, but these are step back jacks. And what you do is you make your legs shoulder width apart, and then you step back and raise your weights. 30. That's 15 on each side. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 29, and 30. And rest. Woo! I felt that. Did you? Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share, and try it yourself. Feels good. Peace.